Alright, so I've got a new head unit. It's the KW-m960BW from JVC. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It does the mirroring. It's got dual USB, high voltage pre-out, front, rear and sub, high res wireless audio, time alignment. Does a 3 camera input for your rear camera, reverse, rear camera, reverse and front, or wing mirror if you've got wing mirror. You would probably need an adapter for all 3 in a factory car, but it does do the maps, YouTube Music, podcasts, the phone, weather, news, calendar. Yeah, should be good. We'll have a look. They're building next door, so it's gonna be a bit of banging in the background. So we'll open the box up and we'll get into features and stuff a bit later on when it's on. So we get microphone, loom. It's the wide loom. It's not the standard JVC loom, which is a lot smaller. Steering wheel remote cable. Don't have steering wheel controls, so we won't be using that, but I'll try and wire something out later. A new remote, so basically the old remote won't work, but I'll try the old remote and see if it does work. There's some flush mount screws and some button screws for side mounting the radio. GPS antenna with a mounting plate. We'll be using that. And this is the USB cable, or 2 USB cables. Basically just an extension with 2 come off the back. It's a 200mm wide format, so if you've got like a new Toyota, it'll need the wide format trim kit. Warranty and the manual. That's it for accessories. So a cardboard securing ring. And the unit itself. So we got our USB 1, USB 2, 3 camera input, and then there's the RCA's 5V RCA pre-outs there, and the main loom input, GPS, mic, and remote and. Yeah, so we'll get to installing that now. Alright, that piece is off. Or now at the front. Let's just unclip it. Now we need gonna have to rescue that. Helps to have a magnetized tip, but I don't have one for this. I had the other screw out because I was adjusting the microphone before, but I knew I'd have this out anyway, so let's pull it out. Microphone's already pulled out. Take the aerial out. RCAs. Loom. Oh, there it's everywhere. Let's try and feed it all in there. Alright. He's through. Dang. The aerial plugs in. GPS. Microphone. Give yourself plenty of length on these. Oh. Reverse camera. Review camera. Main loom. Sub SW. Front. I believe that's everything. Try and feed it all in there. Okay. Aerial can go back there. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Right, turn the key on and see if we get a logo. And some noise. Aesthetic. Auckland, GPS sync, 12-hour, looks good. Remove this message, agree. Rescue the other screw. Here we go. It's